Alright, so we're back here, day 2 of our project here. We've got the headliner down like we said in the last video. While we've got the headliner down, we went ahead and replaced the tweeters over here. We've got the first mount for the drop-down TV screen in place. We still need to go ahead and put up the second one. I do want to mention that, if you guys are doing any kind of like ceiling TVs, be very careful about your clearance up top. Don't want to go through the roof. If you have a sunroof, then be careful of the screen that, whatever, the carpet screen coming back, that your nails aren't so long that they're going to end up scratching the cloth on that. And just be cautious, measure twice, make sure everything's good. So we're going to go ahead and finish getting this done here, and then we're going to continue to work on the rest of the project. So we still got some speakers to replace, I believe, in the front doors when they come in. Still got an amp rack to build. We still got some wires to run, battery cables, positive, negative, all that good stuff. So we're going to get back to work. What do we need to do?
Hit that notification bell, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel.